ending. So we have to discuss the pre-implementation checklist, CRM implementation challenges. The topic we started discussing. So today, as a team, we have to have a discussion on few business. So here we simply have to discuss about what are the challenges. So earlier we discussed about what is CRM, what are the different types of CRM, technologies used for CRM, components, elements, how it should be simplified, how it should be personalized, standardized, this is we discussed. So based on this knowledge, today we categorize because we already had 60. Okay, and for your reminder, I posted the team also in the WhatsApp. So each team will be given with a topic. You have to discuss only about the challenge, and the discussion is in breakout room. So today we have to again check how the breakout room is working. So you have to have the option of breakout room in your mobile. So you will be divided into 6 groups. It's already given. You can check the WhatsApp group. Then the topic will be given. You can take 10 minutes of time to discuss with each other in the team. And after that, all will be presenting what are the challenges of introducing or implementing the CRM in the particular business. So this is a today's team one. So please switch on your video. Team one, we ensure your presence, and I will say the topic. Team one. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 5, Team 6. We will check how it is working. Team 1, Sireka and team, go to room 1. Melby and team.
Sir, breakout room option not there, sir.
Yes?
Breakout room option not available, sir.
We have to uninstall and reinstall and try. It's already we tried in the last semester.
So mine is an updated version and I cannot find a breakout room.
So where will it be shown, sir? Like the breakout room?
Yes, sir. Here the share screen or other thing, right? You can check.
Not visible and small, sir.
Sir, it has to be created from your side, sir.
It's already created, sir. Already I created.
No, it's not.
Please check it now.
No, sir, we can't see it.
Okay, it's already created. For me, it's showing. Only thing you have to.
Sir, it's not shown for us, sir.
For example, Jeffin. So I'm assigning Jeffin to room 1. Jeffin, you can check. You will be in room 1 now, technically.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಯ್ಯಳು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ചെയ്തു
Yes. Melby, Vishnu, Justin, Rahul, Vijay. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all are there. So please switch on your videos.
Sir, I can't switch on because I'm lying on my bed, sir.
Rahul, Vijay. 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 So please, somebody inform Vijay.
I'm trying, someone.
Vijay, switch on the video. So your topic is you are going to design a CRM for a shop. It is also a type of shop. Student stationery shop. The stationery shop is specifically for the students. So you have to understand a retail shop which is mainly for students. So you may not know that nearby our college there are stationery shops, but it mainly focus on only students. So you have to think for a stationery shop for a student how it should be, and they have to automate it. Okay, so rather than students coming and ordering, everything going in manual, why there is a need of CRM? What is the challenge in implementing CRM? So you cannot go to the nearby shop. You cannot say, brother, from tomorrow onwards, please use system, please use CRM, please install application for the students so that they can order, so they can get delivered. You can't tell, but you should explain what are the plus. But for making this to happen, what are the challenges you face? As a CRM designer, you have to convince the retail shop which is selling only stationery shop related to students. But what is the challenge for you in implementing this? So please recollect all the CRM concepts. So I will be observing. I will come back. Any doubt, friends? So please take only 10 minutes. Then I will come back. So start discussing, and I will be observing your discussions. So team number 3. Team number 3.
Yes, sir.
So all please switch on your video. Chandini, are you there? Chandini. So who are not responding will be marked as absent. Okay. So Sashi is there.
Yes, sir.
Sharath is here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2052 absent. Kanath is here. Maria Kinder absent. Vinay will be absent. Inform earlier. Okay. Then Sharath. So Sharath, Sasi, Sanat. 3 roses. Okay. So 3 viewers are here. Your topic is, friends, you are going to design a CRM for land promoter. Real estate land promoter. He's doing land promoter. You know how it works. 3 BHA, 2 BHA, only land, apartment. So whoever may be your customer. So you are approaching manually. You are visiting them, taking them the tour. You are showing the building. You are taking order. You are constructing, getting money, loan. There are a lot of business transactions involved in real estate business. You want to automate all these activities. Sanath and Sarath, I can't see you. Sanath, Sarath, Sasi. Yes? You need not please ask. So we have to understand how the real estate business works, how manually it is happening. If you want to automate, how you have to automate in making the CRM implementation, what will be your challenge? When your client says, I don't want to go for CRM or I can't go for CRM, means what will be the reason? Challenges in implementing and designing CRM for real estate or land promoter. That you 3 people have to discuss and you have to explain. Okay? Yes. So I will be observing your discussion. I will come back after a few minutes. Okay, start discussing for 5 minutes. Yes, team number 4. So please switch on your videos, please.
Yes, sir.
For confirming the attendance, Jebin is here. So it is recorded. So all please discuss. After 10 minutes, we will come back as a whole on the channel. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Team number 5, please switch on your videos first. Team number 5. Team number 5, J. Jade, I can't see you. Prerna is present.
Yes, sir.
Dheeraj, you can't see Dheeraj. Naveenan is present. Rakesh. Jade, okay, fine. Very good. All are present. Team, your topic is you are going to serve a passenger cab. A cab service which is focused on only passenger cars. Okay, the alternative is Ola. Okay, we know Ola, Uber, right? So forget about Ola, Uber. You are going to suggest it to a new person. He may be having a 50-60 cabs at different locations, different cars he is having. So you are suggesting they can go for a CRM. Okay, CRM is integrated technology, connecting a passenger, connecting even he can get a car from other people who are owning a car. Okay, he may have his own car. He wants to connect with some other owners who are having a car. He may have to connect with some drivers. He may have to connect with the passengers. He may have to connect with the payment banks. How we have to make a payment. Okay, so you have to understand if I am running a cab service, means what are the problems you are facing first? What are the business problems? And you people, 5 people suggesting me, this is a CRM, it will be very useful for you. But I say no. I may be saying for different reasons. And your team is also facing some problem implementing it. For example, Jade is telling, no, these are the problems we are facing. It's not very easy. It is a service. It is not easy like other spare parts selling. It's not easy like retailer because we are unable to find out passengers. The technology is costly. Like a Jade may argue from your end. The same time, the service receiver, the passenger car owner is also having some restrictions. You have to identify what are the challenges from your side, what are the challenges from his side, what are the overall challenges in designing and implementing the CRM. Okay, as a team, you are having a discussion that should be shared. Okay, so
sir, basically it's like the Ola cabs, no, sir?
Yes, assume that you are going to create a
something similar to Ola cab.
As a user only we know Ola, but as a designer,
okay, sir.
How it has to be done, how much challenge it is, how much costly it is. Okay? So
okay, sir.
I will be observed. Yes, team number 6.
Yes, sir.
Team number 6, Gunjan is present.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please switch on your videos, Gunjan. Harshavan. Yes, Harshavan is present. Keman.
Yes, sir.
Or any other app. So, as we are having a COVID situations, and all the people are going for online. On the other side, some of the schools are not running. So, you are suggesting online way of learning. It's online way of tutoring. Either if there's a class teacher, you can go for a tuition, or there's no school available. So, you are suggesting some.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you repeat it?
So,
excuse me, sir. Sir, can you repeat it again?
Yes, Subho.
Sir, can you repeat it again? I was not able to hear you.
Yes, Subho.
Sir, I was not able to hear you because of internet connection.
Yes.
Can you repeat it
So,
again?
are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
You are people going to design a CRM for tutor. Maybe who is taking tuition online or offline.
Okay, sir.
But we are specifying only through online. As like a faculty, there are some people, tuition teacher we will call, tuition professor we will call. So he is taking only manually. Now he has to go for online. And online, he may be using Zoom alone. So you have to suggest some CRM so that it's very easy to connect with all the students, parents, other teachers, other technologies. But what will be the challenge in designing this? What are the challenges you will face? What are the challenges customer will face? What are the challenges this client will face? You have to identify limitations and challenges of designing this CRM. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, they are like shifting the business to online, or they are already into online?
They are already started online, but they are facing a lot of issues.
Okay, sir.
So you are suggesting CRM, but still the CRM, there are a lot of challenges. Maybe a cost challenge, maybe technological challenge that you have to see. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. So please start discussing.
So
please start.
when we have to do the discussion, sir?
Yes, sir.
When we have to do the discussions, sir, today, or like we have to submit it?
You have to do a discussion now.
Okay, sir.
Now it will be recorded. Then I will come back. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have round intake in the solutions, like Joshua. Or the solutions are not.
ആടാ.
Okay, okay, okay.
ആദ്യത്തെ ഞാൻ അയച്ചില്ലേ, അതും സൊല്യൂഷൻ ഡേറ്റ.
First, the challenges we have to discuss, and then what else?
लग गई भाई.
ഈ ഇമോജിയൊക്കെ എൻ്റെ അടുത്തുണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ വേറെ പറ.
So team 2, are you there? Team 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Team 2, I can't listen to your discussion. Actually, you have to discuss and I have to observe. Then later there will be common discussion. Not the idea, you have to discuss. Yes, Sharad, Sanat, Shashi.
Yes, sir.
I hope they all are directed to back to the common group. Okay. So 2 students already are not joined, but in between they came Maria Clinton, Chandini. Okay. So the students not joined or they are not responded earlier. So I don't know how to consider them as a person. Students, maybe from your discussion today and the continuation in the next class, so we will be finalizing the CRM implementation challenges in this slide also. So let us start identifying some challenges from group by group. Okay, so again, recollecting why we did this activity. The second unit mostly focused on the topic called the Salesforce automation, mobile automation using mobile, field force automation, and what is multi-channel CRM, and what is data integration, how we can do data analysis, and what is clickstream analysis, personalization, collaborative filtering. So these are the words. So each word can be as a 2-mark question, each one is technology. The first one speaks about why the sales force, why the human people are executive can be helped using automation. That we call as a CRM. So automating our sales process, automating the field process, so overwhelming the direct field or directly field force, and how the evolution of CRM evolved, why we should go for multi-channel, not only depending on website, we should go for mailing, phone call, website, different channels, and how all these channels can be integrated using CRM, that we have to understand. Then even we are able to collect from different sources, how we can be integrated, maybe from customer side, maybe from client side, maybe from designer side, maybe from legal side, maybe from auditor side, who are all our members, how all these can be integrated using a CRM. For that, we have to study something. And one of the major types of data analysis, you have a data, how the data can be analyzed. For that, we studied about 3 different types of data. And when we go for online, okay, so physically, sales force automating, retailer automating, that we already discussed with 2 to 3 cases, individual topics. That if the website, how it can be done, we already call in our analytics for the data analytics, data mining, web analytics, Facebook analytics, Google analytics. There are different types of analytics are there. So how clickstream, how we can track the consumer behavior using their clicking behavior. That whenever we are designing a CRM, how it should be personalized. So there are some category of features should be standardized for quality or branding or uniqueness. For some category, it should be personalized. So what is personalization? What is standardization? When it is required, when it is not required? We are studying. Then we studied about collaborative filtering. So on the day we discussed about why we go to the Flipkart. Flipkart and Amazon, etc. website give n number of options. Yes, it is standardized. When you want to search for a particular mobile, particular model made, yes, it can be done using the filtering. So all the website will give filtering option. So I can collaborate. So initially I'm not searching in very bright. Every information is available, but whatever is required, whenever is required, I can select the icon, select the budget, select the mobile. But again, it should not restrict only with the mobile. It should suggest related product which helps in cross-selling. For example, if I am buying a mobile, it should suggest about battery. It should suggest about the cover, suggest about other connected devices like headphone, like charger. So there should be some personalization. There should be some standardization. How this personalized information, how some customized or comparative or comparative information can be collaborated using. That is called collaborative. Okay, so we learned how, what, where, or who. So today we have to discuss. Yes, that's why we have many advantages. But as an individual person, as an individual company person, he is going to accept and see our part in future. So from this subject, we should know the advantages, components, challenges. From designer, if you are going to a design meet, from your end, what is the problem? For example, we have given a 6 service. Out of 6 service, you should be able to tell. Out of 6 service, for this service it is very easy. This service is very difficult because of that is from service provider side, designer side. From consumer side, actually I am going for this CRM or I am going for a direct purchase. I don't want to go for CRM. For example, for me, I want to book the ticket in online or offline. Online, I know it will be very easy to book the bus, but taking a mobile, going to the website, and ideally internet, and it should have a number of processes. I have to search for the bus, I have to search for the seat. After that, I go for a payment, I have to give a username, I have to give a password, I don't know how much security it is. For booking a ticket, it takes 10 minutes. But if I directly go to the counter, I have just to say, I want to go to bank. AC or not AC? AC. Sleeper or seater? Sleeper. That's it. Within 3 answers, I give the money, 4th minute, I get the ticket, I can go. So ask, and there is another 50 rupees charge in the extra pay. So these are the challenges as a customer I am facing when I want to adapt to the CRM. Similarly, bus operators may have a different challenge. So for example, I observed 8 o'clock the bus has to leave me. 7:50 is the locking time. For example, in the bus I have to book a ticket of 50 minutes. Till 7:50, the bus driver and conductor have no clue how many people are going to come. Out of 50, 35 booked. The data is available. So if the passengers comes on directly there to the bus stand, he can allot only 15 seats. Because out of 50, 35 already booked online, 50 he can do. But 7:51 only the driver and conductor know out of 35 how many came. Whether all came or few dropped. Until customer cancels the ticket, we can't understand. So there may be 20 passengers waiting for the bus, but only 15 I am able to allot. Balance way I have to say no wait, they will be moving to another private operator. But 7:51, there may be another 10 vacancies, that is late comers or they cancel the ticket, but these details are not available up to 7:51 because that is not integrated. It is integrated only to the consumer and the designer or to the transport operator, but it's not connected to the device of bus. So they will say that this is full charges. Earlier there is no booking, automatically people will come. Or if there is any booking, the message will come. Again, but nothing is that we have no control. The government is saying some reason, cab operator is saying some reason, but still they face some challenge. Likewise, according to your title, according to your business, what are all the challenges you are going to just identify? These are all the challenges. Okay. So today I am taking it random. I will pick only few, 2 or 3 things today, and from the understanding, from the suggestion, we will discuss in the next class also. Then I will come to the conclusion. So here are 2 important words: pre-implementation checklist. Before implementing a CRM, designing CRM, that is different. I decide before implementation what are the things I have to keep in mind. Checklist for implementation or pre-implementation checklist. This is one question. What are the implementation challenges? That is another question. So I need your practical explanation. Today we are discussing for another 10 to 15 minutes with a few things. Maybe the next class also will be discussing. That we will come to the conclusion for the chapter. Okay. So I will be picking team number 5 in random. Team number 5, please all have to switch on your videos and you have to expand. Yes.
The main type of data that needs to be protected is business sensitive data, as well as proprietary and customer partner vendor data. So that's one main challenge.
You people have to discuss. I am not listening. All the 5 people who tune on the video, you please discuss on yourself. As a team, you are discussing.
Oh.
Like you have to project to us, not presenting to us.
Okay.
You can argue, you can accept. Like that it should go.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Prerna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Stephen, you belong to team number 6. Without knowing that you are in team number 5.
Kind of. Sorry.
So already the absent is marked and you are coming to team number 5. Yes. Prerna, Jade, Rakesh. Jade, lead the team. I will be silent.
Okay, guys. So according to you, what are the main challenges in CRM?
I think another challenge we might face is when sometimes customers might have some issues.
Prerna, your voice is like we can't hear.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Audible now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I was saying that, sometimes the caps know about those issues. We need to have like a platform where they can come up with their issues and it can be resorted or it can be solved soon. A lot of these cab companies don't have that, so maybe we can create that.
And that's like a review-based system, right?
Yeah, like basically because we might face a challenge where we might not be able to cater to all of their problems. So I guess like a solution would be to make like a review page and where we can read all of it and also try and solve their problem.
Okay, yeah. Navina?
Yeah, like when it comes to pricing strategy, also that is also a big factor where you can face a big challenge. Because there is already Ola and Uber, which gives for a fair amount of price. And if you are introducing something new, we have to be very specific on the pricing strategy. That be a big challenge.
Rakesh?
Yeah, the next thing would be the customer as well as the vendor management system. So it's as we are operating in the market, generates a lot of data which needs an proper management. So we can convert them into a value generating business.
So far, 4 of us have given 4 points. Customer relationship, privacy, then we gave
Pricing.
Navina pricing, and Prerna was reviews.
These are like headings. Customer privacy means what privacy is not there from the customer side. Who is filling the complaint? The customer says means.
So both from the hired drivers and the customers as well, sir.
What is the
the
problem?
customers.
All the data you are collecting is affecting their privacy. If you are going to implement the CRM,
It's
you
a
know what
very
data you are collecting. What is the secret you are maintaining? Tell me.
it's a very person to person kind of criteria. So because every person will, it's a customer based service, so every person will react differently to the service. So just say on the same day the driver is having two clients, one is really nice and one is treating him like, just say, a servant. He may not appreciate that kind of service from that kind of behavior from the client. So based on that, he can make a complaint and certain regulations can be set. So the client as well as the driver are both respected and can live in harmony together.
Okay, then next point. Please don't say only the heading, please comment scenarios.
Okay, Prerna reviews.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, sir. What happened?
Give a clearer picture on the reviews.
For example, you are saying privacy. Even I am booking the cab over a landline mobile, or if I am going directly, you, for example, you are a customer, which you have to give your address, you have to give your mobile number, you have to give your Aadhaar card details. Then only I can book. For example, it say like this, then all the data is available with me, right? How it will be different from CR? When I am going for a CRM also, I am asking the same thing. Rather than collecting in hand, I may ask you to upload in an application. Or I can ask you to enter. So the process is same and the content is same. How you take the challenge with respect to the privacy?
So when it comes to CRM, like we can use the help of cloud servers, sir. So in that basis, cloud servers are much more safer than the servers which they are using in other platforms.
You have to list down the challenges. I am not asking for solution. As you said, privacy, customer privacy.
From that, yes, sir.
Solution we can discuss later. But now, what is the challenge in implementing? The customer says, I don't want to accept the CRM because my customer privacy is not there. That is from the Jade's word. Why? How? First, you have to understand the problem, right? Then only give you a solution.
Privacy as in the details, sir, which they use. Like, for example,
even through a CRM or through manual, they are going to use the same detail, right? Even I am booking the ticket online, I am going to the transport directly. If I am giving to the driver directly, if I am giving to the conductor directly, same detail will be collected, right?
But while CRM, you collect your phone numbers as well as the email IDs, so that we can send further details. So that email collection is also a privacy thing, sir, because emails will become spams.
Okay, so none of the things says that email is mandatory. If I give an email, the mail will come to the ticket.
The ticket will come to mail, sir.
Plus only. But if I am given the wrong email ID, there's no problem because OTP and all they are not sending through email. They are sending only through SMS.
But the ticket will be sent through mail, sir.
Okay. That is my mail ID. So I am not giving the password, sir. I am giving only mail ID. If you are sending me a mail, then I know this is your email ID. And email ID is not a personal thing. We can post the email ID anywhere. It's like address. How it will affect your privacy? Prerna, so please understand your problem actually. Then only you have to come up with a solution. Yes, team, say again. Please, we have to come back again, maybe in the next class, because the topics I expected is not coming. So please discuss offline. Also, please have to come in next class. Next, I am moving to the theme number 3: real estate or land promoters challenges in implementing a CRM. Theme number 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So all please switch on your video. You can start discussing. No need that you have to present. Only you have to do a present. You can discuss among yourself. As a team, how you are discussing, you want to.
Sanat?
Yeah, guys, we can mainly see on the in real estate, we can mainly focus on the contract and the transaction management. So, and also on the property tracking. So many real estate promoters, they feel difficult in tracking their properties. So that's is a major challenges. So through CRM, we can focus on the properties where they exactly want to locate or where they exactly want to get checked, exactly want to check the properties, and also regarding the measurements and everything. Any other points, guys?
I would like to tell about the challenges faced by the companies, because the current situation, many are not preferring this real estate business because the income which they used to get before was not affordable now, and people are getting afraid to invest in some certain properties. So this has brought the real estate business a bit down.
Yeah, and also tracking the contacts of the properties owners or the property, uh, whoever the property belongs to. We can track the contacts of the respective owners, so that if in case of any sales or promoting the lands, their contacts we can't search in the last moment, right? So the CRM should provide us a great help to managing all their contact lists and everything.
Just continue your discussion. Not expecting 1 or 2 points. You have to come up with. So please think like a customer, or please think like a service provider or a client. Shashi?
Sir, thinking, sir, just thinking on it, sir.
Yes, I'm moving to team number 2.
Yes, sir.
Team number 2. Team number 2 is there.
And after collecting data to analyze the data, that will also be a challenge. And like having new volunteers or training the existing volunteers in our NGO regarding the use or to analyze how to analyze the data, collected data, that will be a challenge. So.
Only 2 members in the team.
Especially during the lockdown, sir, it was very difficult for the elderly people to go outside, and it was very difficult for the NGO people to have physical access to the elderly people. So it was one of the biggest challenge they faced, especially for last 1 year during the lockdown which happened in India. Yeah, that's it.
And
Sir, just because
one more thing, sir, like as the NGO grows, or as there are various activities as the NGO grows, there will be difficulty in managing all the records, data, and as Nikhil mentioned, to analyze them will take a lot of time, which is basically one of the challenges relating to NGO, relating to health.
Sir, as we are also mentioning about the challenges, I thought it's better also to speak about the advantage, how CRM can be beneficial. So, for example, HelpAge India organization is an NGO which gives healthcare facilities to the old age people. In that scenario, there are several parents who are elderly and their children will be abroad. So, a CRM facility like a website or an application, mobile application, can assist them in order to take a surveillance on their parents through the NGO, where if their parents face any difficulty in their natives, these organizations, with the help of CRMs, by their clients, can reach out to this elderly people. So I think for the coming era where things are dependable, I think these facilities can actually uplift them.
Okay.
Adding to that, we are focusing on the elder people, so they will get trouble in technology things. So now it's audible, sir. So we are focusing on elder people, so they may get the trouble on technology things because they're not well in that. So it is a challenge for them to get the things and easily, and also this technology will be easily, but also it will be tough for elder peoples.
So one of the main challenges would be getting the funding, the right sources, and to manage a stable income throughout the process would also be one of the challenges relating to NGO relating to health issue.
And also, sir, to stabilize an NGO these days, 3 years back, there were several legal formalities through the government. They actually withdrew 500 plus licenses of NGO, stating that they do not form into the eligibility. Rather, they are staying there for profit margin. So I think a legal challenge can also be faced when an NGO is running.
Any other points to be added?
So one more point, like there is one more challenge relating to whether the non-NGOs business related activities, like though it's a non-profit organization, but some NGOs like part their ways from that direction and go into the business thing, which is basically one of the challenge, and which an NGO should be focused upon just to provide the societal needs and all. So going into the business aspect will be one of the challenges.
Sir, lack of maintenance also one.
Yes, sir.
One more challenge is there.
Yes, team? Team 4?
That's it, sir.
That's it, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, thank you. So we are able to receive 2 points from team 4. Again, I'm requesting all the teams. Okay, I request all the teams to go through. So today you can learn. You can select any one current CRM. For example, the capturing, you can go for all. Please go through the opportunity, challenges, disadvantage from customer side, from government side, client side. Like that, you just identify challenges and try to relate with these things. Okay. So in the next class, we will again input from all other teams. Okay, so today you are able to give 2 points, but in the next class, I'm expecting more points, technical points. For example, if we discuss about challenges of CRM, we can write. But if we go in specific one topic, we should not get it's more relevant characteristics, features, plus demonstration. So with this, we go see the same topic again. Please discuss offline. Please go to this class.